Dear teachers, there are some important tips and steps regarding Microsoft Teams. Kindly follow them. First is whenever you are creating your class, kindly create your class by writing your class name and class teacher name, so that it becomes convenient for everyone to click and enter in the class, that like 9MT Circling. Instead of writing 10M English, it means you cannot identify class teacher as well. So here easily you will identify 9MT Circling. So I am going to enter in my class, and second step is I am going to add subject teacher in my class. So as we have added students from manage teams, the same way we will add teachers here. So we will go to manage team. In manage team, here it is mentioned add members. So I am going to add members here. We are not going to add student but teachers. Click on teachers. When you are going to click on teachers, I am going to add Sir Sabur here. So I will write SAB and his name will appear. So I will add him. You can also paste official ID of Sir Sabur here. So I am going to add him. When I am going to add him, this is very important point. Add Sir Sabur as a owner, not as a member. When you add him as a member, he will appear as a student, but when you add him as a owner, he will appear as a teacher, and he can create his own channel in your class, mathematics channel, like mathematics class. So I'm going to add him. After the loading, it is mentioned close it. You will see that Sir Sabur name will appear here. Yes, Sir Sabur is here, and it is mentioned owner. So there are certain benefits of adding a class teacher as owner, and we will follow it. What are these benefits? I will share with you. When you will add Sir Sabur as owner, Sir Sabur will get the notification on his official email ID that he is added as an owner in 9MT. So what will happen next? When he will click on this notification in email ID and he will enter in 9MT, then what he can do with that class, I am going to show you. Then Sir Sabur will enter in the class 9MT as I am entered in 10M class. Then he will click here. As being added as an owner, he is able to add channel. So he will click on add channel. Add channel, his channel is mathematics, and any notification he want to or any description he want to share automatically show this channel in everyone's list. So if he will click it, every member will get the notification about his channel. He will add. So this channel will appear on the left side as mathematics. English already generated by English teacher, and mathematics by him. In the same way, every subject teacher can create her channel, and this channel will be used in the respective class to take the class. So in this video, your responsibility is to make your class by assigning your name with the class. Secondly, add teachers as owner, and third, subject teachers create their channel in the respective class. Thank you.